I hope you all are doing really well. And welcome back again to the school after your autumn break. Today we will be starting your chapter number 6, A Young Girl and Her Diary. This is a very important chapter as it relates to one of the major events of our history. Not our history, but of the history. We will be learning about what was Nazi, who were Jews, what happened to this girl which we are mentioning in this chapter, the young girl, and her diary. Alright, let's start reading. Before you read, can you imagine how difficult it must be to live in a small room with 7 other people for almost 2 years and never allowed to step out and breathe fresh air? Unfortunately, that is what Anne Frank, a 13-year-old, and her family had to do in Germany in the year 1942. Let's read to find out more. Alright, before we start the chapter, I want you to know few things. Nazi. What is a Nazi? Okay, a Nazi, if we talk about a person, a member of National Socialist German Workers' Party led by Adolf Hitler, which controlled Germany from 1933 to 1945. हम सब ने सुना है कि Hitler, was a very cruel person. Who was Hitler? Hitler was a man who thought that Jews were inferior to him because of their culture and their, origin. Jews were the people who were originating from Israel and Judah, Judah. It's the name of the place. इस जगह से जो लोग ओरिजिनेट करते हैं उनको हम जूस कहते हैं. जैसे हम इंडियन हैं, लाइक द सेम वे इज़राइल एंड जूडा से जो लोग ओरिजिनेट करते हैं उनको हम जूस कहते हैं. ऑल्सो दे हैव देयर ओन रिलीजन, own culture, which thinks that there is only one God. Okay, so this Adolf Hitler had a big problem with that. He was not of the same concern that only God, one God is there, and that's how things propagated. Propagated means things went to the higher level. Alright, now let's read the chapter. During the World War II in Europe, the Nazis of Germany considered the Jews as inferior to them. They wanted to destroy the Jew people and their culture. As a result, they started sending the Jews to prison camps. Now, let's see this box. We have word meanings here. They have given the meaning of Nazi, Jews, inferior, and destroy. Alright. Nazi is a person of National Socialist German Workers' Party. It was the name of the party, okay? What is the meaning of Jews? Members of the community whose traditional religion is Judaism. J-U, people from Judah and following Judaism are called Jews. उनका जो जगह है ओरिजिन का वो है जूडा एंड इज़राइल, और जो उनका रिलीजन है उसको हम जूडाइज्म कहेंगे. Judaism. Alright children, you can refer to your books. You can pause the video and see in your books what is the meaning of Nazis, Jews, inferior and destroy. Inferior का मतलब होता है lower in rank और status. For example, अगर हम कहें कि कोई राइस है वो अगर inferior क्वालिटी का है, that means वो थोड़ी लो क्वालिटी का है. ओके, एंड वी से अगर वो सुपीरियर क्वालिटी का है विच इज़ द ऑपोजिट ऑफ इन्फीरियर, दैट मीन्स वो बेटर क्वालिटी का है. सो नाजीज थॉट दे वर सुपीरियर टू जूस एंड Jews were inferior to them. This is superior. It is the opposite of inferior. Superior मतलब super. आपको ऐसे ध्यान रखना है. I will just tell you. See, SUPER. तो आपको ऐसे ध्यान रखना है कि super and superior. जो super है वो better है. ओके. एंड इन्फीरियर मीन्स जो सुपर से ऑपोजिट है, जो लो क्वालिटी का है. सुपीरियर मीन्स अपर क्वालिटी और हायर रैंक, हायर स्टेटस. इन्फीरियर मीन्स लो क्वालिटी, लो रैंक, लो स्टेटस और लो एनीथिंग, वट एवर वी आर रेफरिंग टू. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स मूव अहेड. What is the meaning of destroy? Destroy means to put something into ruins or kill. Destroy का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज़ को पूरी तरीके से ख़राब कर देना. ओके, नष्ट कर देना, as we say in Hindi. So, for example, if I want to destroy a building, so I would say that I want this building to be in its ruins. RUIN. This is a new word. We will learn this. Ruin means मिट्टी में मिला देना. In a way, you can remember like that. The ruin is to destroy completely. Okay. So the Jews were hated by Nazis, which was led by Adolf Hitler. Okay. So he wanted that I should, ruin the Jews at any cost and completely. He wanted Judaism to be, swiped out from this whole earth completely. He wanted to kill every Jew person on this earth. Now let's see and move ahead what the author has to say. Anne Frank was also a Jew. To save herself, she and her family, and along with her mother, Edith, father, Otto, and sister, Margaret, went into hiding in the backroom office and warehouse of Anne's father's business. 4 other Jews also hid with them in the small space, and their non-Jewish friends smuggled food and other supplies to them. In this paragraph, the author is telling us that Anne Frank, with his mother Edith and father Otto and sister Margaret, went into hiding. Hiding मतलब children, पहले क्या होता था? When World War I happened, after that people had built a secret room in their houses so that they can hide there over, while the war is going on. So in many countries you will find that people still have one's hiding room, where they can hide while all such things are happening in their country, to save themselves from all the killing that is happening, all the violence that is happening in the country. So similarly, Anne Frank also had this hiding room in her father's business. Just a minute. Business area, okay, in the warehouse of his father's business area. So now they all 4 members of her family, that is Anne, okay, Edith, her mother,